Blue Waves Hotel is a charming villa, expertly staffed, offering 5 elegantly appointed bedrooms, all lavishly furnished. All rooms provide guests with access to Wi-Fi, TVs with satellite channels, and safes. Single rooms or the entire house may be reserved, easily accommodating up to 15 guests at a time. We also provide a la carte meals and special diet menus on request. From the hotel, just 3-minute walk to the nearest beautiful beach. The property is 1.6 kilometers from the Trincomalee bus station and 2.9 kilometers from the railway station. The Koneswaram Temple, 2.9 kilometers, the Uppuveli Beach, Nilaveli, Pigeon Island, and Marble Beach are a 20-minute drive. The pool at our sister hotel, Uppuveli, can be used free of charge. Also, diving and other water spots can be arranged. If you come here, Pigeon Island, Frederick Fort, Gokana Temple, Sri Koneswaram Temple, Nilaveli Beach, Lanka Patuna Sea Temple, Ravana Cut Naval Museum, Asirimala Beach, Girihadu, Ate Seruvila, Mangala, Maha Viharaya. You can go to many locations like Marble Beach very quickly. Another beautiful, attractive place is Fort Frederick, also named Trincomalee Fort or Fort of Trincomalee. This fortress was initially constructed here by the Portuguese in 1623 and later built by the Dutch. Today, the fortress is using the Sri Lankan military. You are able to explore most of the fort by foot or car. In there, you can also see a small number of spotted deer grazing under huge banyan trees. Where to visit at first? The famous Koneswaram Koval. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is situated at a top place called Trincomalee. That is a promontory that overlooks the Indian Ocean as well as Gokarna Bay. This place has been a Trincomalee tourist attraction place due to Dravidian architecture. His colorful paintings and statues of gods make this temple colorful and glamorous. A must-visit attraction when in Trincomalee. For years, Nilaveli has been considered one of Sri Lanka's best beaches within an eye-catching paradise. It certainly has that feeling of paradise island remoteness, and also there are many resorts and hotels along the shore. It is rich in biodiversity, with many species of vegetation, coral, and reef fish. An island floating in the Great Blue and 1 kilometer offshore, Pigeon Island. It has powdery white sands and glittering coral gardens, and it is the home to dozens of corals, hundreds of reef fish, and turtles. Pigeon Island consists of 2 islands, namely a large Pigeon Island and a small Pigeon Island. Large Pigeon Island consists of many flora and fauna, especially coral reef fauna. However, the small Pigeon Island consists of rocky islets. Go and enjoy the excitement in Pigeon Island. Trincomalee is one of the most popular destinations famous for whale watching on the east coast of Sri Lanka. You will be able to spot a vast number of whales and dolphins, such as bottlenose dolphin, spinner dolphin, Fraser's dolphin, blue whale, killer whale, and bride's whale. Every morning, yachts can be booked with Sankey Leisure for a premium whale-watching cruise for families, groups of friends, or colleagues. You will spend it while you relax on board. Departs from Trincomalee Dutch Bay from April to October, every morning at 6:30 a.m.